I would rather increase the speed, given that the confidence built from Imo citizens day by day is on the increase, and it is very impressive and further stimulates my appetite for hard work. So I think that we have not done badly in the first 1 year of my second term, and it is my hope and prayers to Almighty God that we will do more to get the heart of the people. Because you see, the difference is very clear. When you are working, the people know you are working. Don't expect that people must clap for you from January to December all through.
Let me start with a quick question. Do you think Governor Hope Uzodimma has not done badly in his first year of his second tenure? Because according to his earlier speech, he made it crystal clear that he believes he has done fantastically well. Hello, amazing people. It's your favorite ghost host, Faith Kalu, here on Ebonyi People TV. Today we are diving into the ongoing project in Imo State under Governor Hope Uzodimma's watch. Earlier today, he was on a very long tour going through the different ongoing projects in the state, and trust me, you want to stick around because some of these projects are quite amazing. There's something. Honestly, I was shocked at the number of ongoing development. Now, let's take a closer look at what the governor has been up to. First off, we have the iconic Assumpta flyover. This landmark structure is a game changer for Imo State, designed to significantly ease traffic congestion in the area. It's really a massive step forward in urban development. Next is the Works Layout Road, which stretches from IMSU Junction to the Old Secretariat. This road is set to enhance connectivity and, ease the daily commute for residents. Another major ongoing project is the Bala Suya Road, linking Okigwe Road to Olu Road. It's exciting to see how well this is coming along. It will definitely make travel between these key areas much smoother. And there is the DSS Road, which is another impressive addition, connecting Olu Road to Onisha. Plus, there's the Spielbach Road, which stretches all the way from Oji flyover. Another ongoing project is the state-of-the-art ICC building in Owerri. This is not just a building, right? It's a hub for innovation and progress, showcasing the governor's vision for a modern Imo State. Finally, there is the digital village along Egbu Road. This is one of my favorites. It's an innovative project aimed at boosting the tech ecosystem in the state, a great move for youth empowerment and economic growth. Honestly, these projects are going well, and I've got to admit, I am impressed. But now it's over to you, our viewers. What do you think about Governor Hope Uzodimma's performance in his first year of his second tenure? Do you believe he's lived up to his own hype of doing fantastically well? And if yes, what's your favorite project so far? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.
Part of the reason for this visit is to also see firsthand for myself the status of the various construction projects going on in the state, preparatory to my address to stakeholders during the week before the January 15th event. And from what you have seen, most of the projects in our urban renewal program are making very huge progress. The whole idea for this particular project, for instance, is to congest the gridlock that always create a lot of stress and inconveniences to travelers coming within the state and outside the state by this roundabout. So in our urban renewal program, we intend to make vehicular traffic easier, traveling stress-free, and business, cost of doing business also easier for the citizens actually to have a stress-free way of doing their businesses. So, and if you listened to me during the inauguration of January 15th last year at the Danayam Stadium, I did promise that rather than slow down the speed for progress and construction in the state, I would rather increase the speed, given that the confidence built from Imo citizens day by day is on the increase, and it is very impressive and further stimulates my appetite for hard work. So I think that we have not done badly in the first 1 year of my second term, and it is my hope and prayers to Almighty God that we will do more to get the heart of the people. Because you see, the difference is very clear. When you are working, the people know you are working. Don't expect that people must clap for you from January to December all through. Gradually, they will begin to see your vision, and gradually they will begin to buy into your vision. And that way, you have a sustainable confidence building program from your people. So I think I'm impressed with the quality of construction going on. I'm also impressed by the speed of delivery. And I want to thank Almighty God. After the removal of fuel subsidy, the income and revenue for states has been on the increase. So for us, some of us who are God-fearing, it makes us happier when we see that those resources coming from federal government as a result of the subsidy removal are being deployed to tangible projects like covering the infrastructural gaps created in the past by high cost of living and all the rest of the thing. So I'm satisfied with the work as they are being done, and also happy that Imolites are gradually coming to terms with it. You can see work has already started. We have to recover every broken down infrastructure. We have to put back to Imo State. People must feel happy. You can see the jubilation on the streets as we are going. When we came here initially, it was not like that. People didn't know what we came to do, because over the years they've lost confidence and trust in government. But now that confidence and trust is what we are recovering, and we are gradually regaining the thing back to government. When government says something, it must be taken seriously, and that's the whole idea for this performance we are trying to display.